Hello friends, International Ankara Music Festival, Akbank Jazz Festival, Bursa Rock Festival, Rumeli Hisarı Concerts, Rock and Coke, Izmir European Jazz Festival, Istanbul International Jazz Festival, Festival, and Rock Istanbul are important organizations in Turkey where domestic and foreign musicians perform. In addition, many universities organize spring and music festivals throughout the year. You can contact the Ministry of Culture and Tourism, the Istanbul Foundation for Culture and Arts, or the websites of the municipalities for detailed information on these events at www.kultur.gov.tr. Please watch our other videos for more detailed information on Turkey scholarship programs. We wish you all a good day.